Okay, welcome all of you. In this video lectures, I'm going to introduce a very important term under the financial management. And now this lecture is much beneficial for MBA second semester. After the attending and seeing this video, you all are able to understand what a means of finance. It means in this video I will explain the means of finance and this its different types completely. Okay, so now you all are ready to learn what a means of the finance. Let's go. I'm Professor Anil Tiwari, faculty of MBA-SIIT Bhopal. Just I'm going to tell you and just I'm going to explain you what a means of the finance. Now, let's start. What, first of all, the question is raised. What are questions? What is this financial management? What a means of it? And why in MBA we have to be study this subject? It is known as the FM. It means the financial management. Financial management, what it is broadly concerned with the acquisitions and use of funds by a business firm. What a means of it? It simply means that one business firm is there, which is one business firm which is who is working in the particular market, and now what all the business what they want what finance for what operating their entire activities, because this finance it is moved in the business top to bottom, bottom to top. So so what it is the so this is a very challenging task for whom? For the financial manager to manage this finance effectively. Now, so what is the financial management? It broadly, people say the broadly means of the some what are acquisitions, procurement of the funds, and now it is efficiently and effectively manner utilize it for the business activities, so that now our overall the cost of these funds will be minimized. And whenever this cost will minimize, definitely it is no doubt our profit will be a maximize. Okay. Its scope may be defined in the terms of the following questions. How large should the firm be, and how fast should it grow? First. Now second is compositions of the firm's assets. It means which type of assets we require for operating our business. And now second is mix of the firm's financing. As we know that now we are this subject, this financial management now has given a lot of tool and techniques for taking this type of decision. What it means, what a proportion of the debt and equity for what are investing in the business, for financing for the business and all. And now last is analyzing, planning and controlling its financial affairs. So all it is the task of the financial manager. And now if they do this entire task what are effectively, definitely the people can say now he's a good finance manager of that particular company. Okay. Now again the question is raised, so what are goals of the financial management? So basically very it is a simply we can say there are three goals of the financial management. First is profit maximizations. Maximizations, what means that the profit after tax. It means what the tax you are paying. And as you know that okay, now you are going to pay the tax. So already we deducted the entire expenses. After deducting the expenses, now you are all are able to be or capable to be bear the entire expenses. After then now you are paying the tax. And left something what are something are left, so that is the profit. And now that profit it is a challenge for the finance managers to maximize. Now second is the maximizing EPS. No doubt your profit will be maximized, so this EPS is directly related with this. What are profit maximizations? If your profit will be maximized, no doubt the price of the EPS shares will be also increased in the market. Now Now, the most important part in this modern era, what is the shareholder, what a maximization of the shareholder wealth. Now in today's context, now in today's this era, now each and every shareholders want they want what they want. They want to maximize the value of their shares, and how they can maximize. Now all these things, now it is a very it is a very challenging task for the financial managers to maximize this entire three things, nothing else. Okay. So now under this financial management, we will learn the different tools and techniques to achieve these goals, and what are how you will manage the funds for the company's activities and all. So here just I'm going to explain you initially. Okay, now what are thing we are going to manage? What that means? What the means of the finance and all? So what it is the important? As we know that the finance is the what a means of the finance is the science and arts of the managing money, nothing else. What it is, finance is the way to managing the money. Now how you will manage for that? Now you will implement the entire functions of the management, and we know very well the management is the as a what arts and science both, and this both tools now you will implement on the money, that is known as the finance. So your finance, you can easily manage the finance for your business. Okay. Hence, it's play a major role in every part of the business activities. It is used in all the area of the activities under the different names. The finance can be classified into two major parts. Now, so then the question is okay, what is this major part of the finance? Now, the broadly, this finance can be divided into two parts. First one is the private finance, and second one is the public finance. Now again, question is, okay, what a means of this public finance, and what a means of this private finance, and which finance now we have to be study under this financial management. Just I'm going to explain you. Now, under the public finance, what a means of it, where the money of the public are involved. So that is known as the public finance. So where you will get the money of the public, either in project of the central or state or semi-government. All they are the publicly public sectors we can say, and now they also required fund for running their organizations properly, smoothly, effectively, efficiently. So they all manage of they have a number of sources to collect the fund from the public, according to me. Now, so we will not focus on this the entire finance which is managed for the what we can say for the government purpose for the publicly. Now we will focus to manage the finance. It is known as the private finance under this. Okay. So the under the private finance, basically it is three categories. First one is the individual finance, and second one is the partnership finance, and third one is the business finance. The question is, what are means of the individual finance? As we know that now we all are human beings. Now we want to be a what now fulfill our what desire, demands, and what are basic needs of our family. Now our family also what runs also what use a fund for what fulfill their what needs and wants, what they, and for what are living in this society, what are for the living. So we are all a human being. We also utilize and we manage these funds properly. So under the individual finance, it is related with the household. In each and every household, they can manage it. So now it is a very easy to we understand. Now the individual finance, we can also what interrelate with this the individual ownership. The person who has individual owner of the particular company, just like a shopkeeper and all. So they also what they manage the fund. Okay, so we'll not focus on that. Now, second is the fund managed for the partnership. We know the very well a number of partnership firms are working in the market. So they also require the fund, or they use it to fulfill and they operate their operations and use in their activities all the different types of way they use a fund for running their business firms. Now, third is the business finance. What are means of it? The business, it is related with the companies. What are, how the company deal with the what are finance, how they manage, from where they obtain the funds. So now we have to be focused. Under this second semester, MBA second semester, you will focus on this, how the company take the funds, what are, how they take the decisions of the financing mix, and how by this mix how they can increase their profit, and how they can cut their cost and all. So now we will focus on this. So in my next video, I will teach you the entire thing which is related with this, the how the company procure the funds and manage it. Okay, all of you. So thank you very much for listening this entire video, and definitely this video help you to take knowledge, to enhance your knowledge in the area of finance. And now after the attending this online video, you all are able to be a managed fund for the company very easily. If you will, what you, if you will see my video, as I will upload on this YouTube platform. So thank you all of you, thank you very much.